Okay, where is it?
Learn who means green means gold. Life. Kind. Two kinds.
Yep, two different kinds of apples. Okay.
Who knows?
Owns
all things.
Who
Use
your
owns
finger focus.
all things, Papa?
Okay.
God owns all things. This means that all things belong to God. Who made our life? God made our life. God made all kinds of things. So all things belong to Him. Who owns my mother and father? God owns my mother and father. Who owns all kinds of things? God owns all things. He owns you and me, Papa. Dada said, the little lamb.
Good. So, who owns all things?
God.
Okay. Who made all things?
God.
Who made all life?
God.
Who owns your mother and father?
God.
Who owns you and me?
God.
Good. Very good.